Hey guys, it's been a couple of weeks since I've got the hashtag BCG BMW E30 back from the workshop. Check out my previous video, but I haven't had a chance to give it a clean. I've been busy and it's been raining the whole time, but there seems to be a gap in the rain today, so I'm going to give it a go. And I'm going to use these new stuff that Laysons have very kindly sent me. Come and check this out. So I don't know if you saw a post I did some weeks ago where they sent me a nice sort of gift box. So you can get these in a gift box and it comes with the various attachments and spray nozzles and all the rest of it. So this is what we've got. We've got this Bubbles, which is the concentrated shampoo, which actually is quite a gooey, thick stuff. I was quite surprised when I poured it into the bucket, which I've already done. And so I'm expecting good results from that. Once I've done that, if I get time and if the rain stays away, I will use this all-in-one polish, which they say has got mild abrasive and excellent filling capabilities. It revives neglected paintwork by removing surface oxidation and masking swirl marks. So that should be quite good. And once I've done that, if I still have time and the rain continues to stay away, I will use this thing where there's a sealant, a detail sealant, which apparently can be used on glass and the plastic bits and everything else as well. So I can use that on the bumpers as well. And apparently you can use this 7-8 times and it will keep things clean for a while. So let's see how that goes. It's a spray one thing, so just mist it on and wipe it off. So that's quite easy to use. Fourth thing they sent me is this multi-cleaner, multi-clean, all-purpose cleaner, which is quite an intensive thing. The car really isn't that dirty, so I'm not sure if I'm going to need this. You have to dilute this quite a bit to use it, but I might try it on the wheels. So the shampoo bit is done and you can already see it's shining. I gotta say, very foamy, went on. I needed quite a bit of rinsing to get it back off again, so now I'm going to dry it. I just finished drying a bit of the car, and I've got to say, actually, there's something I should have said right at the beginning, which I'll say now, is that this is not a paid video. They're not paying me to do this or anything like that. They literally contacted me through Instagram, Laysons did, and they said, you know, we've seen your BMW, we like it, we know that you clean it regularly because we can see that you post about it. Can we send you some stuff? No obligation, try it if you like. So that's literally what I'm doing, I'm just reviewing it. Now, one thing I wanted to say, I already said something about shampooing, but now that I dried it, I noticed the effectiveness of the shampoo, probably the best shampoo I've tried so far, because literally, like, now that I've dried it, that's it, it's done. I mean, you can, I don't know if you can make it out, but let me just show you around the car. You can see that, you know, basically once it's dried, not all of it is dried yet, but I mean, the shine and the gleam is already there. I've got to say, so far, so this is, so as you can see here, I've applied it on there. Then you just leave it for a few minutes. You can see I applied it on here. Now look at the difference. This side here, I've done. That side I haven't. And you can, I don't know if you can make that out, but I can certainly see the difference. Wow. It's good stuff. The other thing I've noticed about this polish, very good on leaving no residue. Look at the difference it's making. It's all being done by hand, by the way. Right then, washed and polished. I'm very happy with the results actually. I mean, you can see the mirror shine there. It's actually really good, and the thing is, it's really easy to apply. It comes off really well, no residue. So the heavens have been kind to me. It's still not raining. It doesn't look like it's going to rain, so I'm going to chance it. I'm now going to use this. So this one, apparently you can just spray it on and just wipe it, leave it for a bit to let it, you know, haze up, and then once it's hazed up, then you just wipe it off again. Give it a go whilst I got time. Okay, so that's all done. Good thing is it goes on very easily because it can be used on the plastics and the glass, so you can just spray it over and just give it a quick wipe. So now just a final buff and it should be done. I think really good results so far. Time will tell when it rains and stuff how it copes with that, but in terms of the use and in terms of the immediate results, well done, Laysons. Good stuff. Right then, all done. Pleased with the results, I have to say. And I tell you what, that sealant stuff, it even smells nice. Anyway, so far so good. Time to now put it away and cover it up. Yep, after all that, I've got to cover it back up again because it's definitely going to rain in a bit. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit the like button and share this video as well if you can. And while you're at it, check out these guys who also sponsor my content. I am deeply grateful to them because it helps me to buy new equipment, put fuel in the cars, and yes, buy a cup of coffee. You can do the same. Just go here or right here on YouTube. Just hit these 3 little dots down here and click on thanks. Make sure you're signed in first. My content is free, but this is how you can help me keep it that way. I may even send you a gift. Oh, by the way, watch this next.